Hello student, welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel, going to teach you mathematics of grade 5th. Already we had started with the factors and multiples. We had learned about what are the factors, multiples. We had tried to find out the factors by division method and prime factorization method. Today we are going to learn a factor tree method, how to find a factors by an tree method. So one by one we will try to solve the sums. Construct a factor tree for 24. Already in the previous class I had told you, when it is an even number in the ones place means it is divisible by 2. So it will be more easy to have a factors of this. So one by one we will start. So suppose it is a 24, we are taking an example. We have to, the name itself says tree, we have to make a factor tree. My dear student, when you are putting that, it should be somewhat apart from each other, so it will be easy to write the factors of it. So already it is an even number in the ones place, so it will be divisible by 2, giving a 0 in the remainder, means you can say it is exactly divisible by 2. So I will write here is 2. What will be the factors of this? 2. If you don't know, I told when you are having a large number, you can do practical division. You can go to 1s are 2, here subtraction 0, get the 4 down here. So 2s are 4, so subtract, this is 0. So what we get in a question should be the factors here of a 24. So when you divide by 2, so I have written here 2, division by 2, and what are the I am getting in the question should be written here. So this is 12. Now you know this is a prime number which have only the two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So we can factorize, we can go for more factors of a 12, which is again a even number in the ones place. So again it is divisible by 2. So now it is a very small number, so you can recite the table of 2. So when you will get to 12, 2 6 are 12. So 2 6 are 12. That is the factors of a 12 are 2 and 6. Now again we are having here 2, we are having here 6. Again we can find out the factors of a 6. Again it is an even number, so it can be again divisible by 2, giving a remainder as a 0. So again we will write divide by 2. 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are 6. Now this is also prime number, as well as the 3 is also a prime number. So we will stop here. What are the factors of this 24? We will find out. So what we are getting, this 2, this 2, 2 and 3. These are the factors of a 24. So we can write that factors of a 24 is equal to how much? Is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. How many times 2 it is? 3 times. I can count and I can write here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 is 1 time. Now I want to check what are the factors removed by tree method are correct or not. So you can have a small trick. You can do the multiplications of this. This is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what you have found out, the factors of a 24 are correct. Now we will go for another example, that is 72. We are going one by one to the higher number. I will give the tricks in between how to solve this. Here 72. Again we are going to bifurcate. Again it is an even number, so we will write as a 2 here. We will divide by 2. If you don't know, you can do the practically 72 divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Here is 1. Get 2 down. So 2 6 are 12. So I told it will leave the remainder as a 0. What we get in the question should be written here. So it is 36 twos is 72. Now again we are having an even number, that is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are known as even number. So here again it will go by 2. So what will be, you know 2 table or 36 you are very familiar because we are getting in between the 20s table. So 2 how much are 36? 18. 18 2s are 36. So if you don't know, you can follow this method for 36 also. Now again we are having even number, so again we will go by 2. So 2 how much are 18? 2 9s are 18. Because this small number you are very familiar, so you can directly do the factorization. You are in the mind, you can do that multiplication and you can find out the answer here. Now we can't have more factors for a 2 because it's a prime number. Again we are having a 9 is a greater number. Again we will go for the factors of a 9. We have to try with a 2 first, but we don't have a here as an even number, it's an odd number, so we have to try with 3. Can we have a factors of a here is 9? What will be the factors? 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. You can recite the table in a mind and you can find out the factors in by the factor tree method. So we had find out the factors here, all the factors which are at the end of this, that is 2, 2, 3 and 3 are the factors of an 72. So we can write factors of a 72 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So if you want to check, you can multiply this together, you can multiply this together and you can find out what we had done, what we had removed the factors by tree methods are correct or not. This is with a somewhat higher digit than that of a 24. We will go for 3 digit, that is 120. Again we have to go for the factor tree method. So again we will have a bifurcation. Again we are having here even number, so we will go for 2. Small trick, smart work you have to do here, because it's very easy. When you recite the 2 table, we are getting somewhere as a 12. 2 6s are 12 and 2 zeros are 0. You can write here directly. No need for going the long division. Just by doing these 2 example, you got the practice of this. So we have to do some smart work and we have to use some trick to find out. Now this is 62s are 120. If you are being confused, you can multiply this number and the product will be of 120. Now I can't do it because it's a prime number, but I am having one more number which is a large number. I have to find out the factor of this. 0 is an even number, so we will go for 2. Now you can recite the 2 table to get a 6. Smart work. 2 3s are 6 and 2 zeros are 0. Very easy. No need for the long division method to find out the factors. Again we are having 30 as an even number here. So again we will divide it by 2. 2 how much is 30? You know the table till the 20. So you can write directly. And again another more trick I will give how to write it. 2 15s are 30. You know the table of 15. 2 15s are 30. If you are unable to recall the table, one small smart work I will say, 2 table you have to recite and you have to get a smaller number than this or a same number. So what we do? 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1 will be left. So I will write here 1 small. So it is 1 0 10. So 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. So again, if you are having a higher number, greater number, large number, you can do with this small trick also. No need to go for long division method. Now, we are having again here large, we have to find out the factors. Here we don't have an even number in the ones place. So we have to try with 3. So 3 how much are 15? Because you know this small table. So 3 5s are 15. Now 5 1s are 5 because now all are a prime number. So we have only the two factors of. So what are the factors of 120 are? Factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3 times 2. So I will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 one time and multiplied by 5. So these are the factors of 120. I want to check that what I had done is correct or not. I can go 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. You can write do in this way or you can directly jump, which will be more convenient when you get the numbers. 8 5s are 40 and 40 3s are is 120. These are the factors of 120, and slowly when you have a practice of this, you will find out. If you are giving you, suppose I am giving you large number in this way, also you can find the factors. Understood? So please try to solve a different types of examples, write your own numbers and you can practice for this factor tree method. Now in previous class also we had learned about the co-prime number. Just I will show you how to do in very easy method. Just because of this we are having a two even number here. We can say that when there are even numbers, the factors are more. That is, we can say these numbers are in composite numbers. Means composite numbers are the numbers which have more than two factors. These are known as composite number. Here also we are having even number in the ones place. Here also we are having even number in the ones place. So these are also an composite number. So it's not an co-prime number. Now we will see here 8 is an even number but 1 is not an even, it's odd. So we will try to find out the factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? Is 1. It can be divisible by 2 because it's an even number. Then can you get the 3's table 8? No. We will try with the 4 table. 4 2s are 8 and number itself, that is 8. What are the factors of a 21? Is 1. It's an even number? No, it's odd number, so it will not go by 2. We have to try with 3. 3 7s of 21 and this is 21. Now can you find out what are the common factors in between the 8 and 21? What are the common? We don't have here 2, we don't have 3, 4 is not there, 7 is not there, 8 and 20. We are having only common factor as an 1. This is known as the numbers where the 1 is only the common factors are known as a co-prime number. Again I had explained you because you might be getting confused. There is only 1 as a common factors between a 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, then that numbers are called as a co-prime number. I think so everyone understood what are the co-prime number. Next we will see that already when we had started with the lessons we had discussed many things. Just I want to answer from you. So just it is in the form of a blanks and the true or false. Just we have to recall the things what we had learned in the starting of the lesson. The number dash is the factors of every number. Which number is the factors of every number? Before this few seconds I told 1 is a number. A number 1 is the factors of every number because each and every number is divisible by 1 and number itself. So this will be the 1 is the factors of every number. Each prime factor has exactly dash factors. Here what will be that? 1, you can write. Each prime factors, you know what are the prime factors? Has exactly how many factors? 2 factors. That is, you can write as a 2 here. And what are the factors? 1 and number itself. Suppose it is a 24. So 27. Suppose it's a 31. What will be the factors of 31? 1 and number itself means how many factors? It's a 2 factors. So we can say that the factors of an every number are the factors of. So we have to find out the prime numbers has exactly how many factors? 2 factors when we have any prime number. Suppose we will go for as an 41. What are the factors of 41 is 1 and 41. So how many factors we have? We have 2 factors. So we can say the prime numbers exactly have 2 factors. Dash is a number that is neither a prime nor composite. Yes, everyone knows because in the previous class also we had learned which number is neither prime or composite. Yes, you are right, that is a number 1. 1 is neither prime because number 1 don't have more than 2 factors and it don't have exactly 2 factors. So we can say 1 is neither a prime nor composite number. All even numbers are divisible by. All even numbers are divisible by number itself 1 and the 2 also. So we can say the all even numbers are divisible by 2. The 2 prime numbers which differs by 2 are called dash prime number. The 2 prime numbers which differs by 2 are called as co-prime numbers. Now we will see for the true or false. Every number is a multiple of itself. It's true or false? Yes, every number is multiple of itself. We can say 24 ones are 24 and 124s are 24. So it is an true statement. Every number is a multiple of 1. Yes, we had seen the previous in the filling the blanks also. Yes, it is every number is multiple of 1. So this statement is also a true statement. The factors of a number can be greater than the number is, just we will see the example. If the factors of a number is greater, suppose I want to find out the factors of a 12. What are the factors of a 12? I can say is 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will be 3, 4, 6 and we can say 12. So these are the factors. What is our statement? A factors of a number, these are the number, they are the factors can be greater than the number. Is the factors are greater than the number? No, because its last factor is very similar to that of a number, or we can say that every number is a multiple of 1 and number itself. So this statement we can say true or false. It's an false because it's not greater, it will be the exact number which we are finding the factors. All even numbers are multiple of 2. Yes, we had already studied when we have removed the factors by division method also, and by tree method I told you that always when we are having an even number we have to start a multiplication by 2 or division by 2. So it's a true statement. So in this way you can find out the filling the blanks and true or false. And now the new word which is introduced in this lesson for you are HCF. What is the meaning of HCF? Is highest common factor. Means when we are having some two numbers or three numbers, we have to find out the factors first. First we will find out the factors, in that factors which is an highest common factor. In that both the numbers, if you write the factors, you have to find out which is highest factor. One by one we will try to solve it. What are the factors of, and small tricks when I am giving, just please pay attention, so it will be more easy to understand how to find out the factors of this. So we will find out the factors of 24 and 36 by a prime factorization method. So we will state what are the factors of 24 and we will write factors of 36. You know, each and every number is factors of each number itself. So 1, then what will be the even number? So it is 2. Then we get to 24 in 3 table. We have to try. So it will be 3. We get in the 4 table. 4. Yes. 4 6 are 24. Then 5 table, we should be in the 5 table, we have to try, it should be 5 or 0 in the ones place, then only we can say it is divisible by 5. So we will go for next number is 6. Can we go for 6? 6, how much are 24? 6 4s are 24. I am going to give small trick. This is my bridge, you know the bridge in between. So 6 4s is 24. Now I will give small trick. You will find out, it will be more easy for you how to find the factors. You know now this is a bridge between the, it may be the same number as been repeated. Suppose it is 6, 36 is a number. So we will go for 6 6 are. So now you can find out 3, how much are 24? 3 8 are 24. So you can say that 3 8s are 24. Then 2, how much are 24? 2 12s are 24 and 1 24s are 24. So you won't require to think in which table in the higher numbers we will find out. You can do this trick and you can find out. No need to go for it is divisible by 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, just if you have a factors here, if you get, whenever you are getting the bridge, underline these numbers together and you can find out the factors of 24. Similarly, we will see the factors of 36 is 1, is even number, so we can go for 2. Yes, I will give small trick. When it is, we have to think about the 3. So the sum of this number should be multiple of 3. So this is 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes, it is a multiple of 3. So we can get in 3 table also. Now we have to find out for the 4. What is the 4? 4, just you have to recite the table of a 4. 4, how much are? 4 9s are 36. So we will go for 4. Then we don't have here 5 or 0, so it is not possible to write. We will not go for 5. Then we will go for next number, that is 6. So 6, how much are? 6 6 are 36. So we got the bridge here only. So we have to go for the next 4. How much are? 9 4s are 36 and 3, how much are 36? Yes, you know the table. If you don't know, you can do the division there. So here we can say 3 1s are 12 1s are, and this is 3 2s are 6. So 12 3s are 36 and 2, how much are? 36 18s are 2 18s are 36. So these are what we had done. We had found out the factors of 24 and 36. But my question is not that. I have to find the HCF, that is an highest common factor. by finding all factors. So I have to see which is the common, so I can write as an common factors. What are the common factors? 1, I am having 1 here, I will just underline, so I will write 1. What are the common? 2 is common, so I will write 2. Then what is the common here? 3 is common, so I will write 3. Here is 4 common, so I will write 4 here, and I am having here 6 common, I will write 6. And I don't have 8 here, I don't have 9 here, and I am having a common factor as an 12, so I am writing as an 12. Now my question is highest common factor. So common factors we had removed. What it is, which number is the highest? So this 12 is the highest, so therefore HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. That is highest common factors of 24 and 36 is 12. So in this way we have to find all the factors and then we have to find the common factors. So it will be more easy to find out the highest common factors between the given number. Now we will go for one more example. So we will go for this another example, that is of 14. We will see 14. What are the factors of 14, 21 and 28. Now my dear student, you will help me how to find, because already we had learned what are the factors here. We can say it is 1, then 2, can we go for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes, with a 7 we got a bridge here. 7 2s are 14 and 1s 14s are. What about the 21 is 1, is we don't have even numbers, so here we will go for 3, we will try, yes, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, no, 7s are, we are getting bridge here, 7 3s are 21 and we will have a factor as and 21 as a number itself. Then what about the factors of 28? 1, it's an even number, so we can go for 2. When we have to see in the 3 table, we get in 3 table? No, we are not getting 3. 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. So we have to try with a 4 table. Do we get in a 4 table? 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. So we can say that this is a 4 and this will be 7. 4 7s are 28. So again we had got a bridge here and we can find out the factors here as a 2 how much are? Is 2, 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28 and 1s are is 28. Now my dear student, which number is greater here that we can see here? We are having here 7, we are having 7, here we have 7. We don't have here 14, 21 and this. We are having 14 but we don't have 14 here. So what we can say? HCF of 14, 21 and 28 is, which is the highest common? Is a 7. Is a 7. So in this way we had find out the highest common factors of a given number. So you can try the sums which is related in given and explain in the explain as well as you are having in the textbook. Please try to solve that type of a sums, so your concept will be clear and you have a more practice of it. Thank you.